Welcome back. I am going to show you how to create a show or other event, equine-based event in iShowEquine.com. So we've already created a logon. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'm going to use the email address that I did earlier. And we are going to go to show, as we discussed earlier, and choose to create a new show. Now, I'm going to drag this over here a little bit, so I apologize if you can't see everything, but I need to read my show bill. And my show bill is, there we go, the 2020 East Central, I can't spell, Central, Pinto, I can spell Jubilee, but not Pinto, it's fine. So, I'm going to slide this, nope, I'm not, okay. I'm going to try to slide this over a little bit so you can see the sanctioning body area. And the reason I want to show it to you is because it's much more dynamic than it appears. If I click here, there's 4 or 5 options, APHA, AQHA, Open Show, PTHA. What if you don't have a paint? What if you don't have a quarter horse show? What if you have an Arab show? What if you have a dressage show or a jumping show or 3-day event or something like that? In that case, I would choose other and I would say what type it is right here. So don't get too stressed out if it's not there, but there is a sanctioning body. Those are going to be added more slowly. APHA and AQHA were easier to add right up front, so that's what we did. This particular show is an APHA show, and it is a 3-judge event. There might be some other options on here, so I might have chosen the wrong thing, and the person who's truly in charge of this show will come back and fix that. But for right now, that's what we're going to go with. The beginning show date is August 1st, 2020, and it's going to end August 2nd, 2020. And I don't need any other information. I probably could read through the show bill and look for that, but I'm not going to right this minute. I'm going to select, add additional show documents. I'm going to put the document name. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy it and paste it. And then I don't have to worry about spelling. And that's a good thing. In my document type, if I drop down, I've got some choices. I can do order of go. If it's a dressage show, I probably know my order of go before I start. So that's a good thing to upload so that people know how to get to it more easily. If I upload all my patterns for showmanship and equitation or horsemanship, I can do that here. In this case, it happens to be a show bill, so that's what I'm going to choose. And I'm going to choose file. And it's in my downloads. It's right here. And open that up. I can put an additional description. I don't know that I really need to. A show bill is a show bill is a show bill, isn't it? And then I'm going to tell everyone where my show is, which is probably where and when, the most important things you need to know. Select a city. We've got some cities in here. If yours isn't on here, it's okay to choose other and type in the city. It'll add that city to the database. In this case, it happens to be Newcastle. And all Newcastle shows are associated almost exclusively with the Henry County Saddle Club grounds. There's also other. If it happened to be at somebody's barn, you can add that too. There is no zone on this particular show. So I'm going to select a secretary, and I'm going to select myself. And I'm going to go ahead and choose submit. Now, at this point, I'm super excited. I've got my show in here. I want to go back and check and see if it's there. And I'm sorry, but it's not going to be. Because from this screen, and I'm pointing with my finger, so I apologize. This screen here is the back-end database, and that is updated every night. So at 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning, I'm not sure the exact time, that is updated and sent out to that main iShow Equine screen, which I thought I had up and don't. I'll pull it up. So if I go here, it is not going to be here right away. Tomorrow morning when I come here, it will be, and that is all that's important. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.